DMC modified the Ferrari FF. Details after a few words of introduction. So we just received awesome photos from our customer in Hong Kong who has installed the DMC Ferrari FF kit on his, well, Ferrari FF. What a surprise. Now this is still quite a rare product and we haven't installed it too many times, but you might have seen the video, which I'm gonna link somewhere up here or down in the comments, where we installed some other kits of this one as well. We really love doing kits for cars that are not too common. Mass cars are always good, we love doing that as well, but I think doing something for a car which is special and not every day really gives us a little bit extra interest, because when people see it, it's got that little bit extra spicy, if you know what I mean. So without too much talking, let's directly dive into those photos. Let's have a look first. Wow, that is a color. I'm not even sure what color this is. It doesn't really look like the standard Ferrari red, but if there's any Ferrari fans out there, experts, please leave a comment down below what the official color for this is. Now the interesting thing, the first thing I want to mention is here. Okay, let's go around the kit first. You see the beautiful front lip here, the side skirts, the rear wing. Especially the rear wing is one of my favorite parts because it makes the car longer. But all parts are actually made from carbon fiber. Now, where is the carbon fiber? Well, this customer, he loves carbon fiber, but he has all the parts painted in the original car's color. Now, this is actually not too uncommon. If you look at a lot of OEM cars, let's say Ferraris, Lamborghinis, in particular, let's take an example, my friend's Lamborghini Gallardo Super Trofeo. There's a lot of carbon fiber parts on the car, but they're actually painted. Now, when you look at the part from the side, especially from if there's a certain sunshine or light shining on top of the surface, you can still see under the paint those carbon lines shining through, and it's actually a wonderful effect. True, it's not for everybody. It's not even for me, but there's definitely people who love it. Do you love something like that? Let me know in the comments. Now, I do think that it makes sense sometimes to paint parts. I'm not sure if I would paint carbon fiber parts. I guess I would, because anyway, it's my own production. But I think if I would ask our German head office to make some parts for me to paint, yeah, I will take carbon fiber parts. But if I would have a red car, I would probably paint them white. Now, how would that look like? Huh? You get it? What do you think? Like, yeah, I think black. Actually, black is always nice. Black carbon fiber, right? But let's say black on a red car, it's okay. But white on a red car, for me, that's like, it screams like Scuderia. I don't know. Leave me your comments. What do you think about this? But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this preview on I hope you enjoyed the first look on this Ferrari FF by DMC that we did here in Hong Kong. We hope to get some more better photos later on. In that case, we're going to make another video. Hopefully, we're also going to have some videos, moving pictures that we can show you soon. Until then, let me say thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. Leave a like or a thumbs up depending on the channel where you're watching this. Also, kindly turn on notifications. Let me go to the side, and you can see here how you can do this on other channels, so you get notified next time when we upload a new video. And that's basically it. Then we'll see you next time with more DMC content. I've said it already. Let me say it one more time. Thanks for watching. Until next time, DMC Life. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. There's a lot of other videos that we've done in the past. Actually, we're going to blend in a couple of them over here. If you like them, why not click there also, or click there if you would like to subscribe to the channel. All these kind of things, they help us really a lot. Let me say thank you one more time for watching this, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, thanks a lot.